Hi students, welcome to Physical Education and Health Education. Now we are going to know about physical activities. Dear students, all the physical activities and yoga asanas practice very much. Now we are going to learn about. Today we are going to know about shot put. This is the shot put circle measurements, circle angles and it measurements. In this picture, position of shot put and the shot put. This is the shot put pit at the ground. The history of shot put. The shot put has been an Olympic sport since 1896 and involve pushing or putting a heavy metal ball called as a shot out of a 7-foot diameter concentric circle. The shot put parent sports track and field. How do you throw a shot put? Basic shot put techniques. Number one, holding the shot put. The shot is held at the base of the fingers, not the palm. The fingers are slightly spread apart with the thumb of support. Next, neck placement. Raise the shot above the head, lower the shot straight down until it under your jaw. What is used in shot put? The shot generally is made of solid iron or brass, although any metal not softer than brass may be used. It is put from a circle 2.135 meters in diameter into a 40-degree sectors as measured from the center of the circle. How do you increase your shot put throw? Hold the shot with both hands at chest level and push the shot up and out, working on your arm extension. Wrist flips work on the final step of the throw and can help your and an extra foot or two of distance. If done correctly, hold the shot with your throwing hand against your chest. Point of measure. The throw should be measured from the inside of the board because the tip of the toe board should not be touched by the body during the throw because the tap is fully through the center of the ring. The location along the inner edge of the toe board can vary from one end to another end. Holding the shot put. The shot is held at the base of the fingers, not the palm. The fingers are slightly spread apart with the thumb for support. The hand will be bent back in the cooked position when holding the shot. Can you throw a shot put? Spread your fingers slightly apart and use your thumb to prevent the shot from rolling off. Press the shot to the area of the neck beneath your jaw. Keep your elbow high so that it appears horizontal to your shoulders. If the shot drops below your shoulders during the put, it will be considered as a foul throw. Never turn your back on a throwing circle. Always carry a shot back to the throwing circle. Never throw them back. Now some shot put videos. Spread your fingers slightly apart and use your thumb to prevent shot from rolling. Press the shot to the area of neck. Keep your elbows high so that it appears horizontal to your shoulder. And take the moment and push the shot slowly and gently. Shot drops the below the shoulder, it considered as a foul.